Hey, we're so excited you're ready to book your trip with Grad City. Here's how to get started. Head on over to gradcity.com, select the Book Now button. For US travelers, select US travelers, find your state, find your high school name, and then select Join this trip. Select the trip, and here's all the specific information about your school trip. Make sure to review all the information, and when you're ready to book, click on Join this trip. The contact information page is extremely important. Please make sure to enter in all the correct information that's displayed on your passport. So you want to make sure you have your first name, last name, middle name if applicable, your street address, your city, your state, your zip code, and please make sure to enter in a non-school email address. This is to ensure that all communications go directly to you. You also want to ensure that you have a valid parent email address, and this is to keep your parents in the loop of all your important trip information. Make sure to enter in all the rest of the information, including gender, date of birth, and a valid phone number, as we do send a lot of our communications via text. Once you're done entering in all of your contact information, please make sure to review that everything is entered in correctly. And once you've reviewed and you're ready to go on to the next step, click Submit. Next, you want to make sure that you review the terms and conditions. Once you've read Part 1 and Part 2, select the boxes and click on Yes, I agree. The payment page will show you your minimum payment schedule, and then you also have the option of automatic payments or manual payments. We do recommend automatic payments, and this is to ensure that you don't forget any of your upcoming trip payments. Once you're ready to submit your payment, enter in all of your credit card information and make sure it's a credit card that you plan to use for the rest of your trip, as this is where your monthly payments will come from. And once you're done entering in this information and you're ready to submit the payment, click on the Submit Payment button. And that's it. You're one step closer to paradise. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're always here to help, and we can't wait to see you soon. Take care. Bye.